My name is Jennifer Sallows. I'm Director of Accounting with StarFish Medical, and I've been with the company just under a year now. Before joining the company, I worked in public practice, where I had a really broad range of experience. I'm located in the Victoria office, and I also have some team members who sit in Toronto. On a day-to-day basis, I get to interact with the various departments across the company, from PD to manufacturing. What I really enjoy about being on the finance team is how diverse a background each member has, and we like to have a lot of fun when we're at work. So it's a really good mix of work and play. The kind of person who would enjoy working at StarFish is someone who enjoys solving problems and learning. We're definitely not a steady state company. There's always change, there's always new challenges, and so you have to be ready to face that and deal with that on the day-to-day basis. The culture really is tight-knit, and the amount of events and support that they have for staff is something that I haven't experienced in the past. And it makes coming to work every day and being in the office truly enjoyable and definitely not a chore. Outside of work, I like to stay really active. In the winter, I'm playing hockey. In the summer, I'll be playing ball hockey or out riding my bike or in the gym. So I really like to balance the time in the office with time outside and being active.